So the new Ant IPO just changed the game for the whole Chinese market. This just goes to show you how Xi Jinping is opening up to innovation. He wants the economy to do very good. He wants the growth to come back. Guys, you just have to remember back in 2022, he canceled the Ant IPO because Jack Ma was talking about how he didn't like the Chinese financial regulations and how they're stifling innovations. And Xi Jinping did not like what he said. He just canceled the IPO just like that. This was the dark moment of the Alibaba history as the stock went down to like 73, down to like 63 during that time. And then Jack Ma just disappeared. Ever since that whole saga and how the Chinese market has been recovering, Xi Jinping has been opening up. He's been getting CEOs together, trying to find ways to regenerate the economy. So this new IPO is shifting the whole Chinese narrative. People are wanting to do business now. This is a game changer. The IPO International is coming to market, is coming to Hong Kong, and they didn't deny it. Alibaba didn't come out and saying, oh, this is not happening, blah, blah, blah. They're actually letting this news just kind of ride. So this is how you know it's actually factual. So this is going to change the whole game because this is unlocking value for Alibaba. People are just not understanding the true value for Alibaba as it's just at $300 billion. Like that $300 billion market cap literally makes no sense. So this whole IPO for the international segment is showing you kind of what Alibaba is truly worth. And that's just the beginning because Daniel, the old CEO, wanted to do this kind of gameplay to unlock value for Alibaba to show you the true value. So maybe Alibaba keeps this going. I don't know, but this first start for this IPO International is going to unlock true value, show you how much Alibaba is worth because they don't own all parts of this segment, but still, it's a huge factor because think about it. Ant segment is so important for the Chinese economy. It's just Tencent and Ant when it comes to digital payment and international play. So this is a huge part of Ant and Alibaba's kind of revaluation. People are not even realizing that Alibaba is up 50% year to date. And it's just the beginning, in my opinion. People are forgetting about Alibaba because it's not really talked about. Everyone's just focusing on how China is so bad right now because the whole tariff segment. Back when Ant wanted to IPO, it was coming to market around 37 to like $40 billion. It was going to be one of the largest IPOs. And this was back in 2022, 2021. So what do you think is going to come to market now as China is stimulating the economy? They promoting innovation. They want people to spend more. We just had Labor Day. Look what happened with Ant and Tencent. They're seeing increased spending. We're going to see more Chinese users actually go international and start using Ant. Ant Financial just acquired BrightSmart for $362 million, basically going into the brokerage market. And we understand that the Chinese market right now, people are actually getting more into stocks and there's going to be more Hong Kong IPOs. This is a huge bullish flag for Ant. We're going to see the continued spending. Look what happened with GDP. GDP grew 5%, and this spending is going to continue as Xi Jinping is going to continue to stimulate the market. So all this backing is just helping Ant kind of go to market, get the money that it needs from this IPO. And Ant Financial is trying to expand more internationally. So this international play is perfect for this Ant IPO right at this moment in Hong Kong. When it comes to Ant Financial, I think people are underrating how it's a duopoly and how that's so important for the Chinese market. People are going to realize how profitable Ant Financial is and what it's doing internationally. All of this is just going to boost the stock of Alibaba and Ant. I'm actually hoping I can actually get into this IPO. I'm going to see what price it kind of comes to market. I'm not sure if we get a slice of this or if we get cash. I'm not sure how that works, but when this comes to market, this should shoot up Baba's stock like crazy. Guys, Baba has so much potential for this year. This is going to be good for Ant Financial, the Chinese economy in general, and Baba. So guys, what do you guys think about this Ant Financial IPO? Like and subscribe.